Guys, Zix here. Time for the very first episode of the Archon Skyblock Origins realm. Leaving the Origins part out of the title, simply because it's too many words. Too many words. Anyway, here we are. I kinda got started without you guys. I started a grassland island, cleaned up a little bit, did a little bit of landscaping, threw one of these guys in here just to kind of take a look at it. Just to see what it was all about. And then I learned that you can't sell ores. You're gonna have to smelt ores. It's not giving me any ores. It's just giving me cobble. So this is either not working or I messed something up. Probably messed something up. There were some diamond blocks hidden in the garbage over here. That I removed, so it's possible that the cobble gen is based on the island level. I don't know. And then I made this pretty thing here. So I should be bell top and island top one couple hours, give or take. I just figured I'd get some passive income going. I've heard that sugarcane grinding is the way to go, but I ain't signing up for no manual grinding. Ooh, that's not a lot of money, is it? So this clearly needs to be a lot bigger to be useful. Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do. I can use Schematica, and I will use Schematica to make this bigger. And yes, again, I know this is probably not the most efficient thing out there. But I'm just kind of testing things, learning things, figuring things out. I would have made more cactus because I FK'd overnight, but Windows 10 is a piece of crap and updated my computer, and I didn't get to. But yeah, I got these ores in this cobble gen earlier, but I'm thinking this is, yeah, see, I'm just getting cobble. So, bleh. Yeah, this is the only form of passive income I have right now. I'm gonna need more wood. Crazy. Crazy. To think that I'm gonna get wood in a Skyblock game by planting a tree. And that noise you heard is MCMMO. If you've been with me on any of my other series, as you know, that is. But yeah, I clearly need to raise the roof here. The roof, the roof, the roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Not gonna say the next part of the song because I'm family friendly ish. Yeah, this could be a lot of fence posts though. That's for sure. Because if I'm gonna use Schematica, everything needs to be touching. Although I have made a decision. I am going to be using a lot of Schematica on this server with the intention of building something big. A couple big things. So I might just go ahead and look up a pretty good cactus farm schematic. Hmm? What happened here? Don't worry. Got you covered. Boop. But yeah, in the meantime, there's other things I want to do. I did, whoa, you take damage. Huh. That's interesting. I wanted to find out what the border of this thing is, because you ready your axe. Oh, that's the MCMO, because you don't see it. Like I'm used to seeing the border, and I don't see that here. Like, is that the edge of the border? Because it almost looks like a square, or is it just my eyes playing tricks on me? But to do that, I need Braca. I'm assuming, since you can't see the border, that if I build out to the border, it will just stop letting me build. Similar to like trying to build down to 0 or build up to 255, which clearly that's the 0 right there. No, 100 and it's 100. No, it's 90. Well, that's weird. Okay, well, there's my coordinates. Now you can fly to me, I guess. I don't actually know if that works here. But yeah, I'm curious to know. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's tiny. You must unlock an upgrade to build this far out on your island. Oh, that's tiny. So it's like 200 by 200 then. Oh, we're gonna need to expand. Oh, we're so gonna need to expand. Is that the same case over here? Are we centered? I'm sure we are. No, we're not centered. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, so that's about 200 blocks. I'm assuming it's a square. Anyway, a lot of you are not familiar with this server, so I wanted to bounce around and kind of show you everything. You've already seen the hub in my intro trailer, but spawn is a little laggy. There's a ton of people here, but it's a airship, kind of like a boat airship thing, above glass for some reason. And then there's stuff underneath the glass, some kind of like altar thing. Oh, there's more boats. Oh, I didn't even see this when I was here. Is there anything over here? No. Maybe it's for the future? Is that another boat? That's another boat having a bad day. Yeah, that's a boat having a very bad day. It's getting wrecked. I think you'd see like cannons or something for all this damage. It's on an angle though, that's pretty cool. You don't see that too often. That's a nice touch. And then of course you have your stuff that you would normally see in a Skyblock server. You got your is top rewards, 120, 90, 50, 25, 50. This is PayPal, the rest are Bycraft. I don't know if we'll be trying to do that or not. And you got your crate keys here. There's a spawner crate key, and there's witch spawners. I'm interested to do that. Of course, I don't have any crate keys. That's okay though. And then what's this? What happens if you click on them? Nothing. Okay. Warps. We're already there. PvP, huh? Oh, that's cool. I get it now. I get it now. That is cool. I like that. I like that. That's a nice touch. I can fly? Nope. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. 14.8. What does that mean? I don't know. Oh, look, flies back. Oh, shoot. I should have been here for the leaves despawning. Stupid. Wait a minute. Was this loaded while I wasn't here? No. Couldn't have been. Couldn't have been. Anyway, commands are a little different. I'm still kind of learning them. Let's see. Grinder warp. See how people do things here. See, everybody's got these. I've bounced around a little bit before. Everybody's got these giant cactus or sugarcane farms. Because if you look in here, what I'm doing, cactus passive. It's sell price 10. The sell price 12. But it's not passive, so you'd have to grind it. So I don't really see the benefit of that. Well, you advertise it being a grinder warp, but you don't show us the grinder. Okay. I guess they're planning ahead. I guess. Is this the border? It's probably the border. See, this looks like it's the original size. It's a decent size, but it's not big enough anymore. I need way more. Let's see what else we got here. Sharpshooter. You suck. Why make a warp and do that? Cactus farm. He must have a chunk hopper. He must have a chunk hopper. Somewhere. I don't know where. I don't know how it works, to be honest. But this is doing nothing like this. Let's see what else we got here. Some trees. Excuse me. Some spawners. Manual kill. I've noticed not a lot of automation on this server. A lot of manual thing, and I don't... Oops. And I don't know if that's because of the server or because there's not someone like me telling everybody how to do it. But not a lot of automation. So hopefully we can do something about that. Yeah, no. Nothing special here. What else we got here? Cobblestone gen warp. Yep. That's it. So does it automatically generate the name? Like when you go in here? Does it do it for you? No. Warp, whoop warp? No. That island is. How have a lava bucket? I haven't decided yet if I'm going to have to disable Sean the Bomb. Cactus farm. And see, there's that same cactus farm. See, now here's some automation. Maybe. No. He's planning to? Yeah, he's got pistons. But it's not working. Oh, he has it set in a button. It won't let me. You can just put that on a redstone clock. Here's someone. Is he here? I'm actually fat. No, he's not here. Yeah, so this is a lot. He's smelting. I don't know about that. I don't know if I'm on board for that. Well, this is the most I've seen. Kip the Great. Okay, so... The heck? I think they call them robots. And he's attacking this skeleton here. And there was something I'm gonna have to bleep out now. So this is a manual sugarcane farm again. Jeez. No thank you to that. I am all about the automation. Whoops. Is that the end of the map? Yeah, that's the end of the map. Looks like they were gonna build another platform here. Didn't work out. Well, there you go. I have a lot to learn, basically. But I'm gonna let this build up for a little while. And I'm gonna get I want to get to a point where I can buy this right here. And that's gonna, maybe I'll start with something smaller. I don't know. Maybe a cow. I don't know anything about spawners. I don't know if you can stack them. I don't know if you can upgrade. I know nothing. I know nothing. So I'm gonna be learning a lot with you guys. But I'm gonna try to do a lot of the learning off camera. Yeah. This is it. This is my very humble beginnings. Eventually, I will upgrade the border to get bigger so that I can put something large on my island. And then we will go from there. However, that, my friends, hey, cactus, is going to do it for this one. Thank you guys so very much for watching and tuning into a new Skyblock experience. Take it easy.